Today, let's learn about potato. So today, we are going to learn something about a potato, a vegetable that you eat in variety of ways. So potato, as you can see, is actually a root vegetable that grows on the ground right here, just like this. So as I said, it grows under the ground, meaning we have to dig it up before we can go ahead and prepare to cook it. Potatoes are found in many different shapes, but it's common for them to be round or oval in shape. Along with many other different crops, potato is actually one of the world's main food crops where we get energy from. Potato is a very versatile vegetable and it can be prepared in many ways. And by many ways, I mean potatoes can be eaten boiled or fried or even baked. Potato contains a lot of starch and you can feel it while you eat it. For more videos like these, please like, share and subscribe to Small Wonderland.